Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm actually going to be building my cross cart. I've left it out in the weather for some time because I was working on other projects, but I'm actually going to be fixing the clutch and testing it out and seeing if it would work. We need to find a good place to ride this. I'm thinking about going to the school where I rode the bicycle. I still need to paint it. You can see I still need to paint this part. All of it's black. Right now it's orange, but clutch seems to be smoking, and I've had comments explaining what I should do, and I'm going to do it. First of all, I need to loosen up the chain. Second of all, I need to bypass the governor, which I'm not going to take the governor out of the engine. I'm going to bypass it using some zip ties. I think we have a frog problem. Didn't know there was one on there. So as you can see, I covered up the air filter with a bag so that water wouldn't get into it because it was stored outside for a little while. But I'm going to clean this whole thing off and then we'll get it back in the workshop. It must have been a couple of months since I started this engine, and it's been rained on a couple of times. I hope that still works. I covered it up during storms, but it looked like it helped it quite a bit, so I've been really busy. Not 10 millimeter. Oh, there you go. It's only rubbing on that one side. The chain might actually be a little too tight. As you can see here, clutch is rubbing up against the outer area only on this outer side, and it's supposed to expand and not do that. You can also see it right rubbing up against it right there. The factory got some paint and stuff inside of this, so he sanded it down, and now it's spinning a whole lot better. And also, we're going to loosen the chain and see if that helps as well, because we don't know if when the chain is too tight, it pulls down on this part, causing it to rub up against it and causing it to smoke. So we are now going to do that. So I just finished tightening on there, the engine to the mount. We loosened the chain up so it has some slack, and we also fixed the clutch. So hopefully it won't be smoking on us and have a hard time turning the tires. There's a few things I also want to do before I get it started. Like one, I have to put the air filter back on. Clutch ain't smoking. The clutch ain't smoking, but you can smell burnout. I think I'm overdoing the engine, because this engine with that clutch cannot go up a hill at all, but it does perfect on straightaways. Okay, so I'm going to sand now. Insert. Well, I'm going to mainly want to fill the rough edges. Everything else should be fine. So I got this tire foam. I'm going to spray it on the edges of the tire so that it would actually make it look fresh. I'm not going to be able to paint the whole thing today, but I got those and these. Yeah, so all I need to paint now is just the under part of everything and the whole thing down there. So I'm going to let it sit outside for a while and dry, and later today I'm going to cover it back up. Also, I am filming this on Monday, Memorial Day, so I hope y'all have had a good Memorial Day, because I'm going to post this tomorrow on Tuesday. If y'all did have it, hope y'all had a good day. If you guys enjoyed this video, I'm really glad I finished this thing. I need to find a flat ground because this engine puts too much strain on it going up a hill with the big tires and everything. And also the clutch, it's not that powerful opposed to the torque converter. So on straightaways it's going to be perfect, but going up hills it's terrible. I'll see y'all in the next video. Goodbye.